Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are back. We are on step 3 of memorizing Psalm 23. If you're brand new here and you caught this video at random and just clicked on it, I'm guessing that you do want to memorize scripture. And that's a great thing. And this is such a familiar psalm that you can probably just start with us today at this step. But if you don't want to, you can go back to the 2 videos I've already made for step 1 and step 2. We're doing Psalm 23. We've already done step 1, which is verse 1. We've already done step 2, which is verse 2. And today we'll be learning the motions for verse 3, step 3. So without further ado, to review, the Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. Makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. If you haven't been here yet, you might be wondering, why is that lady doing motions with the words? That is the whole point. There is a connection between our bodies, our minds, and our memories that is largely untapped in the world of memorizing. This can work for entire passages of the Bible, but also for speeches or for meetings that you need to lead. This is an excellent tool to have. It's not to say that you'll be doing these crazy motions everywhere you go, but once you do them at home enough with the motions, they will be sealed into your memory. Promise you. I've done this with myself, my children, groups of classrooms, and it works really, really well. Okay, so we're going to move on to verse 3 today. So it's really important when you're adding on another motion, another verse, or another part of your sermon or your message or your speech, that you just reverse back a little bit so that you can connect the two things. So the first thing we're going to do is say, He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. And the first part of this next verse says, He restores my soul. So we're just going to do this. He restores my soul. So we say it, and yes, we use our hands. So we say, He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. And another side note, isn't that true? Doesn't He restore us? Isn't He always waiting for us, loving us first? That's why this channel is called Loved First. It's based on 1 John 4:19, where He says, we love because He loved first. He leads us by still waters. He makes us to lie down in green pastures. He restores us. He is our good shepherd. So let's do it one more time through. And I encourage you to do these motions and these words at least twice a day, a few times through. If you do that for weeks at a time, you'll have it sealed in your heart forever. So here we go. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. And the last part of this one is, He leads me on paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Ready? He leads me on paths of righteousness for His name's sake. So we do that over and over. When you're brushing your teeth in the morning, brushing your teeth at night, just practice these. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me on paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Do those, practice them. Until next time, I'll be coming with video for step 4 very soon.